This is a long-stem anti-splash engine oil funnel designed for cars, trucks, and pretty much any vehicle. It's made from high-grade plastic, bright orange so you don't lose it in your garage, and it features a long, narrow stem. Why this funnel is special? The long stem design is the biggest advantage here. Instead of holding the funnel and trying to keep it steady, this one sits deep into the oil filler neck, allows hands-free pouring, reduces spills and splashes. That's huge, especially when you're pouring a heavy 5-quart jug.
Anti-splash design. The top opening is 8.5 centimeters wide, which means oil pours in faster. Less chance of overflow. No splashback when oil glugs out of the bottle. This is especially useful when changing oil on trucks, SUVs, older engines with awkward filler locations.
Durability and heat resistance. This funnel is built from sturdy plastic and can handle engine heat up to 105 degrees Celsius. That means it won't warp, it won't soften, it won't crack after repeated use. Perfect for frequent oil changes.
Best use case. This funnel is ideal for engine oil changes, windshield washer fluid, trucks with deep filler necks, anyone who wants clean, fast oil pours. If you could only own one funnel, this would be it.
If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe to Advanced Backyard Mechanic.